Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you.
লোকজন এখানে টয়লেট করে and the craziest part, this is ruby, actual ruby, and this is an actual sapphire. Hello guys, this is Rafsan and today's video onik interesting. Keno interesting? Because I'll be giving you a look inside the world's only 7-star hotel, Burj Al Arab. It's the world's only 7-star hotel.
Yeah, boy.
So the Burj Al Arab was opened in 1999, and up until 2020, it was only open for the sheikhs and celebrities. And the craziest part, guys, a hotelta, it's on a man-made island. Do you understand? It's in a place called Jumeirah. It's a really posh area at the same time. And just look at the view. It is beautiful. And guys, the rent for one room এইখানে হচ্ছে $25,500, 22 লাখ টাকা. Do you understand?
Nay.
And guys, এত একটা দামি জায়গায় আসতেছি এমিরাতিদের সাথে, so I need to match up with them, so ওদের মতো clothing পরতে হবে. So today the sponsor for my video is Sultan. It's these amazing outfits I'm wearing, and they are one of the biggest brands in the Middle East at the same time, so make sure to check them out and let's go inside. So guys, basically when you're entering, he pours rose water in your hands because it's part of the Emirati culture. It's beautiful. And they provide cold towels because বাইরে অনেক গরম, it's really humid. So I think this is either for washing my hands or my face. I am not sure. কোনটার জন্য this. You guys let me know. So guys, the craziest thing about Burj Al Arab, it has the tallest atrium in the world, 180 meters. Look up. Wow. But let's go.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So guys, fun fact, I'm gonna take a selfie here, and this is 24 karat gold. I touched it. The craziest thing, we're gonna be going 200 meters above sea level. We're gonna be going in 47 seconds. Guys, Bangla kothay kanta bondho hoye geche. Bhai, crazy. So guys, craziest part, everything is actually gold plated, 24 karat gold plated, and it is quite expensive. Guys, right now we are about to enter the royal suite. Oh my god, $25,500. Let's check it out.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you. Welcome to the most exclusive part of your tour. My name is Eric, and I'll be your guide throughout your journey today, and it's my job to make you all feel like superstars.
Beautiful.
It's amazing, right?
It's like made of gold.
Yes. I love the impressive gold marble staircase, the 24 karat gold plated ceilings on the walls, and right there is a very old private elevator.
So guys, it's like a living room.
The royal suite.
It's our বাসার সমান.
With our custom made golden TV. Imagine that, ladies and gentlemen.
This is a golden TV.
Yes.
It's 24 karat.
Yes, 24 karat.
24 karat magic.
No Netflix.
Of course, no Netflix, no I said.
Okay. So guys, the craziest part, এই রুমটা 23 বছর আগে তৈরি হয়েছে, but technology এখন দেখে মনে হচ্ছে কিন্তু খুবই রিসেন্ট একটা রুম. It has remote control curtains, 23 বছর আগে থেকে, 24 karat gold TV, no Netflix obviously. Damn, just look at the room, wonderful. And there are private elevators, literally, bashar in your hotel room, private elevator. এইগুলো
Shop.
This is insane. So guys, we're going to the second floor. This is also gold. Do you understand?
Wall fabric. Amazing. We've had a lot of celebrities here. We've had Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, the Beckhams. We've also had footballers like Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, Wayne Rooney. Also, another person we've had would be Roger Federer, the tennis player. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to enter the Queen's bedroom. Impressive, right?
Yeah.
Wow. All hand stitched.
So guys, the most important part, the toilet review.
So this is where you enjoy your amazing bubble bath infused with our signature scent by Hermes.
The mosaics in this bathroom where you take a shower, it's made of actual gold. crazy, right? লোকজন এখানে toilet করে, and the craziest part, this is ruby, actual ruby, and this is an actual sapphire, bro. So guys, it's crazy so far the place. আমরা queen's bedroom টা দেখে ভাই toilet, the toilet is made of gold. Now I'll be showing you the king's room. Is this the king's room?
Yes, this is the king's room. We set up the TV in the ceiling, ladies and gentlemen. That is incredible. And if you look at the wall fabric, you also see more gold stitching. Now, so if you're bored of what's on TV, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually rotate this bed with a simple touch of a button.
So basically the position of the bed rotates if you want. It is crazy. That is nuts. Damn, sitting on the king's bed. You truly feel like a king, or Justin Bieber, because Justin Bieber is a king. But yeah. So guys, now I'll be showing you the king's dressing room. But it is damn beautiful, bro. And it's remote control, you can see. And this is the king's washroom. Whoa, let's see. This is, if you're a king, you can come in this washroom, guys. Oh, what? Wait. Did that? Is there a ghost, or does that automatically flip up? But hey, doesn't the king get crown jewels or something? Oh, this is also made of gold. Hand shower made of gold, bro. This is not a palace. This is a hotel room. I speak again. Now I'll be showing you guys the dining room.
Then of course,
Each square meter of this curtain is $3,000. Ammo, take note.
and a private dressing room. And you see the royal suite can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests.
Or maybe 600. 600.
No, six. Royalty.
Hotelta pura shonner toiri bhai. You see this car over there? It has some pretty iconic moments. David Coulthard literally did a donut on top of the Burj Al Arab on the fucking helipad. Tiger Woods literally played golf here. And for heaven's sake, Roger Federer and Andre Agassi played tennis here. What? So we're done with the royal suite, which was $25,500. But I mean, extra dollar if I see. And yeah, and I don't know, I feel very overwhelmed because Manujon like Justin Bieber, then Selena Gomez, Raladash, Messi, Neymar, they even came to this hotel room. This entire stairway, see, this is made of gold. The marbles, super expensive. Burj Al Arab, royalty. In the next episode, we do something crazy. We go to the tallest building in the world. I'll let you guys guess what it is. And we have a cup of 24-carat gold coffee. And the best part, you're gonna see it tomorrow. So don't miss it. Guys, do the math. This small ass burger is a Big Mac. What the